Good morning, everyone, or good afternoon, or good evening. I don't know what time we're gonna post this video, but today's video, me and Sam are gonna do like a day in the life at a law firm. We were both at law firms this summer as summer associates. We thought we'll just kind of take you through our day, what we wear, what it's like, and have you see for yourself. We're at two different firms, so we have slightly different experiences. A lot of the firms are the same, but there are some like minor differences. So you'll get to see all of that or hear us talk about all of that today.
Good morning, Team Esquire. What's good? I'm here at my mom's house. Peep the what do I call them? Keep the accolades wall. That's what I'll call it. And of course I have this because I like to travel wherever you go. Shape, National Honor Society, and then these go all the way back to high school, and then obviously law school. Oh, and this was my senior thesis poster. I'm about to get dressed and talk to you a little bit and head out, I guess. This is some of the clothes that I wear to work. My law firm is business casual, but we lean more on the side of business. So I wear like suits often, or I'll wear a dress with the blazer, something like that. Oh, side note, I made this in high school. I've never worn it, but to anyone who was in my fashion class, Throwback Thursday, yeah, I made this. Had the lining, lit.
This is what I'm wearing to work. I got advice last summer. Let me pull this up a little bit. I got advice last summer to like keep my outfits neutral from this woman that came in and did like this whole little spiel about work style. And just to wear pieces that are interchangeable. My office is business casual, so I tend to just put on like some black slacks, put on a simple white shirt or black shirt and throw on a cardigan and go, and some nude heels or some flats. I think Sam's firm is a little bit more businessy, so she wears suits every day. But yeah, so this is what I'm wearing to work today. Can't forget my work phone. Very, very important. I can't forget my little tag. Oops. To get in the building. So like every time before I leave, I make sure, excuse me, I have those two things.
All right, y'all, I'm back. I decided to go pantsuit like Hillary today because you know that's how I do. So we're about to head out. Because I'm at my mom's house, I'm about to take the Metro North to Grand Central. And y'all are kind of see the distance of that, all of that. So let me grab my work phone. Work phone is important because, so basically they give us a phone for work and we get all the emails. So I'm on like 4 deals, so I get all the emails from that chain. Only like 5 are going to be applicable to me, my specific assignments, but a lot of it is shadowing and learning exactly what we're supposed to know when we are in that position. So all a part of training to become a big law lawyer. I'm gonna grab my blazer. I have like 4 black blazers, so I don't know which one I want to wear. I think I'm gonna go this one for the day. So to the people at work that think I'm wearing the same black suit, it's not true. As you can see, I decided to bring my backpack instead of like a purse, or sometimes I'll bring my infamous briefcase because of the fact that I have a lot of stuff. Like I have both of my laptops with me, and both of my laptops, meaning my work laptop and my other laptop, and I just don't want to carry it. It's heavy to be in a briefcase.
All right, so I'm currently walking to the train station. I'll let you see. I'm in Brooklyn, by the way. I'll let you see the view. So fun fact about law firms is that people make the summer associate experience is a lot of fun. There are a lot of dinners every day and there's a lot of events, but it's very time consuming. They are paying you pretty good money, but there are after work events. You have to be there for, the standard work day. For me, it's like 9:30 to 5:30. And then afterwards, you're expected to go to all the social events. And sometimes people stay at the social events until past midnight. and then you're supposed to be back at work again the next day. So it can be a little like socially exhausting. You're like constantly meeting people. These firms are huge. Some of them have like over 300 or 400 people, and you feel like you need to meet the partners and the other summer associates and the lawyers. So yeah, it's mentally taxing, but it's a good networking opportunity, and it's good legal training. So a lot of people end up doing it. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I'm like walking to the train, and I'm kind of rushing because I'm a little bit late, not gonna lie. It's currently like 8:47. That's my nephew. Typically I'm expected to get there around 9:30. So the assignment system is something else that confuses people. Like, what do you actually do as a summer? You're not actually a lawyer. You know, you don't actually know anything. I'm gonna talk about that more when I get to the office. My office mate says she wants to be in the video, so I'll ask her questions. You can get her perspective.
Always talking to the neighbors, y'all. Look at this.
All right.
You don't even know that woman.
The dog. The dog is my friend.
What in the world?
He's I know him since I just moved here.
Because we're not willing to digest.
So we usually listen to the Breakfast Club and all that rah-rah they be talking, but I guess I'll talk to you guys. Firstly, I guess we could talk about my hair. Okay? It's a little frizzy now because I straightened it for work, but I don't wear my natural hair to work. Just off this, well, in my natural state, just off the strength of it being corporate America and not being on that type of time, pretty much. This is my 5th week of work, so that means that we're 5 weeks away from South Africa. Wow. I gotta get my fingerprints, y'all, and I gotta get all the stuff done. But anyway, let's see, working at a law firm. So pretty much, as a summer, you're able to, at least at my law firm, you're able to try out different practice areas and learn what you like. So I've been working with M&A, funds, and capital markets primarily because I know I want to go into general corporate when I start work. And I haven't tried litigation, but I am on a pro bono death penalty project, which is similar to the death penalty work that I was doing in New Orleans over spring break. Look at that video here on my main channel if you want to go ahead and check out what I'm talking about. But overall, I really like it, right? I understand that the summer experience is very different than the big law experience once you become an associate and once you become once you mobilize through, right, like a junior associate, senior associate, share partner, things like that. I understand it's all very different, but overall, like, I think that I am definitely going to start in big law, and I think that I'm going to stay in big law. So, partner by 35. Those are my goals.
So I work in the financial district, really close to Wall Street, and I love it down here. Sam's in Midtown, which has a very different vibe, I think. The World Trade Center is by here. Wall Street is over there. So this is my office. I have an office mate. For the first time, I think I actually beat her to work. And this is my view. It's super nice. You can see the water. You can see the Statue of Liberty from my office. I'm gonna try to zoom in. You see it? Yep, you can see that from my office. You can see the water. I'm not a huge fan of like buildings as a view, but the water plus the buildings makes it really nice. So yeah, I'm gonna check my email, get started for the day, and see. And I have a meeting at 12, so I'm gonna get ready for that and make sure I'm prepared to read all the cases and things like that. Hey guys, this is Megan. She's my office mate.
What's up?
Where do you go to school? What are you interested in?
I go to Harvard Law.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm interested in. Figure it out.
But you're interested in like international
Yeah,
stuff,
so I'm
right?
interested in international law, but don't know how that works in a big law firm context. So pretty much just spending my time doing pro bono, eating bagels every day, and hanging out with Angel. Yeah.
Get an office mate that watches Angel and Sam LLB videos.
what my day typically looks like is it's 8:30 now. I'm running a little late. I like to get to the office early, but I'll get to the office at exactly 9:30 because I catch the 8:41 Metro North, which puts me there at exactly 9:30. I walk from Grand Central to my office. I'm not telling y'all where my office is. It's slow for that. But yeah, so I walk from Grand Central to my office. Then I get in. I'll have breakfast. They have breakfast there for us every day. Most days we have a lunch event, or I'll go out to lunch with some associates that I've met. Like today I have lunch with my associate mentor that was given to me by the firm. She's awesome. So I have lunch with her today, and I think I have an assignment that I have to finish up. I'm not sure. We couldn't work on our assignments pretty much yesterday because we had litigation training. So today I'm gonna head back. I'm gonna get back to my assignments. I'll probably work on that in the morning. Like I said, I have lunch with my associate mentor in the in the late afternoon. I think we have training. So the firm has a lot of training in itself. Like I said, we had litigation training yesterday. We had corporate training already. We have training in all the different practice groups. So as someone who's not familiar, there's like a general split between litigation work and corporate work and restructuring work. Restructuring is just another word for bankruptcy, pretty much. Restructuring work, and even within those fields, like there's, for example, IP litigation, or in general corporate, there's cap markets, there's funds, there's M&A, well, public M&A versus private equity M&A. There's, what else in corporate? I can't remember the things that I haven't tried yet, but there's definitely a few more. Oh, exec comp, tax, like there's tons of different areas, and within those areas we have different trainings. So in the evenings now, there are practice group events. So for all those people that follow me on Instagram, no, I'm not rich and I'm not paying for a lot of those events. It's really cool. And then in the alternative, when there aren't those events, you can go out to dinner with a lot of those practice groups. Like Monday, I went out to dinner with M&A, and I was able to really talk to the partners about what exactly they do over a longer period of time, right? Because at these events, there'll be like tons of summers there, and you're just talking to however amount of partners show up, more than a handful, but however amount show up, or associates that show up. But on the other hand, if you're at an intimate dinner, you're able to really get down to the nitty gritty and really talk to them about what their everyday is like, get on a project, things like that. So yeah. Oh, I don't think I mentioned that too, that these events are every single night. So we get home at like 12, 1 o'clock every night and have to literally get back up for work at 6 or 7 in the morning. So just putting that out there for people that are thinking big law. The hours are long, and the associates will be there even longer than we are. So they'll go back to work after events.
Well, she's off to work. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
I'm about to go to, we can meet in the lobby. All right, I have like a coffee date, I guess. Like you can grab coffees. You can grab coffees with lawyers, or grab lunch with them, or grab dinner with them, and it'll be on the firm. Every firm has like a different budget, but it usually ranges from like 50 to 100 per meal. So I have a coffee scheduled with one of the associates here. She's actually from Houston and she's Nigerian, so we're like basically the same person. After that coffee date, I have a meeting at 12 for an assignment I'm on, and then I have a lunch scheduled with another associate that interviewed me that I really liked. And it's really cool because she's married to another lawyer here, and she actually just had a baby and all this stuff, so she's like a good person to talk to about, I guess, being a woman in a big law firm. You look good.
Let's try out introduce myself.
This is my adopted big sister for the summer.
Do I like actually do a full introduction?
You don't have to.
Okay.
But what's your name?
Miri.
This is Miri.
F-M-I-R-I. Thank you.
They give us, sorry, thank you. I'm
I'm vlogging, so I'm gonna be talking to myself. They give us actual siblings, and Mary's like my bonus sister. Latte. And I got my soy chai latte. Oh. Fancy lunches. I forgot to record before I ate, but get the idea. Mushroom soup.
Was the soup not good?
Not really. They didn't really season it.
It looks like a water and like
Yeah, because I think it's supposed to be vegetarian, and I made them make it vegan. So I feel like they don't have like that down yet. Yeah, they don't know how to season it yet.
that like
This restaurant's so nice.
was like, I think this is how you do it. Then there's two levels of that. I haven't even pulled like label
Thank you.
Hey y'all, so I am back from lunch. We went to Nobu restaurant, and you couldn't really tell from the vlogs, but it's like a really nice restaurant in the area, and the firm is paying for it, so you know, why not? So I have a meeting in 15 minutes, meeting with the junior associate, and junior associate just means he hasn't been an associate that long, so he's probably only been an associate for like 3 or 4 years. I'm not sure. I'm actually, I'm gonna look up his bio before I go to this meeting to make sure I know who I'm talking to. Like, fun fact, you should always do that. It makes you seem like you've done your research and stuff. Thank you so much for tuning in to our day in the life at a law firm video. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and look out for more videos as always.